Now, back to working with your wife. You know, you guys have started off a moving company.
Yep.
And it was full gusto. Like you guys just boom, skyrocketed. You guys are like best friends forever. This is the best. There's no arguments.
Well, I'll tell you, we started it together. It was a lot of stress that I was bringing home. So in order to distance herself, she went and did her own thing so we can actually have real income. Because just relying on me and my moving company that I started out of my house with no truck, just renting, wasn't going to bring us a ton of money. At least she didn't quite believe it. I believed it from the beginning. She says she believed it. We'll see. And
she had trust in you.
She had trust in me. Now, but I was able to court her back into the business to now take care of the things that are really hard for me. I'm airbrained and scatterbrained, and I'm kind of all over the place. And she's my rock tied to my ankle. No, she's my rock that keeps me steady.